How to resize videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok using CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import your video. After importing your video, search for a ratio on bottom beside templates and filters. You'll find two types of ratio for YouTube, which is 4:3 and 16:9. You can simply select it. For TikTok, you'll find 9:16. After that, simply click on tick mark and your video will be resized. After that, you can simply export your video for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. That's how you resize videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok using CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am so